this is everything what we need for repairing or recharging this electronic cigarette. First of all, you have to remove the cap, which is very easy, and also from the other side. Sometimes it goes by hand, sometimes you need pliers. Then remove this this is empty. And now we have to first of all charge the battery and then fill this tank with some liquid. So what I've seen a lot of videos that people used to charge it with USB cable, but you don't have it under control, you don't even know if it's charging or not. So I use my charger with display. You can use any charger for lithium batteries. So first of all, I am going to remove the tank and all these tapes to get into cables. I think actually this one I already did in the past. I already refilled it and charged, but I'm not sure. Let's see. People used to connect it here with the cable, the USB cable, but I rather use charger. Okay, this is removed. This one is also removed. Now, yeah, this one looks like I did in the past. I already charged it because there is a white tape. Yes. All these battery ends, both battery ends are covered with the tape, the plastic tape, and the only thing you need to know, either with scissors to remove it and then use new tape and attach it again. And this one, just simply remove the tape. Good, so we have now both ends available for the charger. Let me find out where is plus and where is minus. Okay, this is plus, here is minus. So it needs to go like this to the charger. And if not, it doesn't matter because this is protected charger, so it shouldn't do any damage. Three point 44 volts. You see it's charging already. 1 milliampere hour already charged. Let's fill this. I use this drop stuff, I don't know how it's called. It takes time, but it's much better to do it. It's very easy to recharge and use again than to just buy a new one. My liquid is actually just base and nicotine. I don't use any flavor because I always make like these big bottles of liquid, which is 300 or 200 milliliters. After 2-3 days, you anyway don't feel any flavor. Let it sit for a while, and $21 milliamp hours already charged. So let's come back here when the battery is full. Or I can open this one too to show it once again. So like this. You can also use some towel, not to scratch it too much, but I think it doesn't really matter. I remember now that this one, once when I did it first time with this one, it broke. So I had to use some glue to glue it there. I will not be able to open this end. So let's try it like this. I should match the direction. But let's see if it works. So once again, I remove cap, tank. This goes with the second one. Remove I think I don't need to remove this tape, but let's see. Okay. It looks like it's under the tape. The tape is under, so let me give it a try. Plus is here, minus is there. Oops. Much easier and much better to charge it like this comparing to USB cable. I tried for the first time. I left it charging for 1 hour and it didn't work. Maybe there was no connection to the cable from battery. I don't know, but this is safe and 100% work. So easy as that. So let's come back here as soon as the batteries are charged. Okay, now the batteries are full, 4.21 volts, which is the same like these 1865 batteries which I use for my cigarette, which is this one. Approximately 500-600 milliamp hours, and it took 2 hours to charge. So if you double the current or triple, it will be much faster, but it's always better to charge it with a low current. Okay, let's put these all together now. So let's do one. Okay, now I think it would be enough to put there this cap, but let's put there also a tape. Some strip of the tape. It doesn't really matter. Now the cap, or this plastic thing, I don't know what is it. And the same on the other side. Well, here we have tape, so Let's put it back. Now the tank on one side. The cover, and on the other side battery. Just a little bit of cleaning. Just be careful that the cables are in before you insert the battery. You still can move it a little bit so the cables are in, and then push it back. Now, here we are done. And now we have to align this together approximately. Poof. Let me try. And it's perfectly fine. Working. Now the other one. Here we have tape, so I don't spend time with additional tape. This plastic sticker, or what is it? On the other side, tape too. Good. Now the tank. Again, insert the battery part. Now, do it with the cap. And done. Again, a little bit of cleaning. And now here we have to try to align like this. But I think it doesn't really matter. And it's there. A little bit of cleaning again and test. I can even taste the flavor which was inside as the original. So that's it, very simple. Don't throw it to trash. Recharge it, refill it, and reuse. Thank you. Bye.